This is Joy. She was a student, and she was tasked with creating a social robot that could play peekaboo. The problem was that this robot couldn't detect her face. She was on a deadline, so she borrowed her roommate's face, and she submitted her application, and then she thought someone else would figure this out a couple of weeks later. But then she was invited to a programming competition in Japan. And when she got there, there was also a social robot, and everyone else was playing against it, except that when she tried to play against the robot, it did nothing. It just didn't see her as a human being. So she tracked down the developers, and she asked them, hey, I had this similar problem. What's going on here? They figured out that they were actually using the same facial detection software library. So what's going on here? The problem is that the data that they used simply didn't reflect the reality of the world that we live in. We live in a world that is interconnected, and software can travel the world in a couple of seconds. Luckily, there's a super easy fix for this. All you got to do is give it better data, and you'll get better results.